everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another December vlog. Today is a moody December day. It's not snowy in Warsaw at the moment, unfortunately. I really wish that snow is going to come soon here. Inside of our apartment though, it is quite festive. I feel the Christmas atmosphere here because of the lights I've put on, some Christmas decorations that I bought, some little towels, candles and stuff. I'm drinking my hot tea here from my Christmas mug. This mug is from Sinsea. I got it a month ago, I think, and the quality of this cup is not so good. I already see it crackling at the bottom, but the look of this mug is definitely really cute. The tea that I'm having is a black tea from Daman Frère. It is a very festive tea. It has so many spices inside, like the strongest one is cinnamon for sure, but it has lots of others. The name of this tea is called Daman Frère Les Mille Collines, I think. I will write it down in the description. It's a good one if you're looking for a Christmas tea. I saw that the Daman Frère has some other Christmas teas this year. I think I would like to go to try them. Anyway, today is the day that I want to do an unboxing of my recent Hermès purchase. If you watched my previous vlog, if you watched my previous video, you've seen that I went to Hermès store here in Warsaw and I scored something very special for myself. I went to Hermès store to look for an Hermès belt, a special Hermès belt, a Kelly belt. And well, I will just briefly tell you the story for those who didn't watch my previous video, although I really advise you to watch this video if you are interested in Hermès purchases topic, because I think it is a good one. I've shown almost like the whole Hermès store that we have here in Warsaw, did like a store tour, like with all of the items that they have inside at the moment. So the short story is that I really wanted an Hermès Kelly belt, a black Hermès Kelly belt, and I was thinking about this purchase for quite a long time. It was not like an impulsive purchase, and I decided that okay, it's time, I'm getting to the store and I'm buying it. But it was funny, the shop assistant basically was surprised that I come to the store to ask this question, because it almost never happens in Warsaw in Hermès store that you can buy a Kelly belt like out of the shelf. So you have to wait for it for a long time, you have to look for it, and it's kind of a struggle to get a Kelly belt in Warsaw. I have heard that the situation is completely different in the cities like Paris and London. There it is possible to come to the shop and buy an Hermès Kelly belt, but at the same time something as classy as the black belt may be a rare thing as well. So first I wasn't lucky to buy my Hermès belt inside of the store, but then the next day I went to Hermès website and there it was, my black Kelly belt. I ordered it straight away. I know that such a thing doesn't happen every day. You cannot find a black Kelly belt on Hermès website every day, that's for sure. You have to keep looking, keep checking the website every day, and one day you're gonna be lucky and you will score your belt. Today I checked the website and they didn't have it in any basic colors. Today on Hermès website they had it in like hot pink and like very bright violet with orange, something like this mix of colors. So it's quite a rare thing to find it on the website as well, but I was lucky enough, I saw it, I ordered it, and in a few days it was already in my local Hermès store, and I went to pick it up. I was beyond happy and I filmed it, and now I'm here ready to unbox my Hermès Kelly belt. By the way, I want to share my outfit with you. This is my Zara sweater from this year. I have not shopped in Zara for many years before this purchase. I was really surprised to find a high quality piece in Zara this year, and this sweater is definitely a high quality piece. It is 100% wool sweater, so it is extremely warm. Also, I have made my hair wavy today. I don't know, is it the festive atmosphere around, or maybe it is all of the Dyson advertising out there at the moment, or just my mood. I feel more like doing wavy hair right now because of all this new Dyson. They keep on pushing videos of it to girls like me online, and I keep on seeing girls doing these waves, and basically, sometimes I catch myself that maybe I need such a thing, but then I understand that I can do the same thing with the tools that I already have. So it's not a decision that I've already made up in my head. Let's get back to Hermes belt. Just one more sip of tea, and I will be grabbing my Hermes bag. By the way, another jump. I have a candle burning at the moment, and I just rediscovered this brand. I want to quickly tell you about it. So this, I have to be careful. This is my new festive candle by the brand called Rituals, and the scent is just perfect. I got a fabulous gift from my friend with a set from Rituals, and I fell in love with this brand because of this set. The candle first looks super festive and just nice. And then there is also a shower gel foam in the set, and there is also a body cream. And they all have a stunning smell. Here is the hand cream that I have here. Hand cream. It's a body cream, but I use it a lot on my hands during the day. The name of the scent of this set is called Good Fortune. It is patchouli and mandarin. Smells divine. So if you are looking for something new for this festive season regarding like candles, body creams, body care, I really recommend you to go to Rituals and take a look at their stuff, because the quality of the product is very good. This scent, it is not a cliche Christmas scent that you would expect, like not a cinnamony stuff, although I like cliche as well so much. But this one is a little bit different. It is more sophisticated, and the packaging looks super luxurious, amazing for gifts. So enough of this. Let's get back to Hermes. Here is my Hermes bag. I was really happy I could pick up my belt from the store, because this way you get kind of this also luxurious experience of picking up your purchase from the store, the beautiful bag and stuff. Maybe they sent the parcel with this orange bag as well, but you know, receiving a parcel and going to Hermes store is different experience. Although the service inside of Hermes store is not perfect here in Warsaw. I think they don't have enough staff there, and you have to wait for like 20 minutes to be assisted. I was there on a working day. I think it was like Tuesday or Wednesday around 11 a.m. and I was waiting for 20 minutes to be assisted. Anyway, happy that I have my bag here. Inside of the bag I have a leaflet, Histoire de Carré, history of the Hermes Carré scarves. Nice leaflet with beautiful Hermes scarves. Actually, it would be interesting to go through this little book to see the prints that they have of their scarves, because I definitely think that I would want to get one for myself one day. Getting to the moment that I love watching in other people's vlogs the most is getting a box out of the bag and actually opening the box. Here there is an orange Hermes box with a beautiful ribbon on it. Obviously I've opened it before, so the ribbon might be not as beautiful as it was from the very beginning, but we're gonna take a look at it anyway and open it together. Ta-da! Okay, here is our Hermes box. It's not very big. It's nice because I don't want to have bulky stuff right now, so that I cannot take it all with me when I'm going back home. Inside there is a wrapping paper, white wrapping paper without any logos, nothing like that. And then inside you have an Hermes dust bag. Looks like that. Inside the dust bag you basically have the belt. Okay. The belt has also some tiny dust bags on the lock. So the belt with these tiny dust bags on the ends looks this way. We're gonna remove them. And here it is. here is the most elegant belt in my opinion. As I said previously, my belt is in black color, and this is Epsom leather here. The lock here is rose gold plated. I think that's the way they call it. It means basically on top here it's real rose gold. Then I also have these sticky things on top. I just haven't removed them yet. I feel like it's a special moment and I don't want to remove it because before I remove it, it feels like super new, and then it doesn't feel this way. Anyway, here's the way you close it. You click it like that, and then you turn this little thingy here. And basically you have Hermes written here. Beautiful classic Kelly lock. I think that's the way you call it, Kelly lock. Inside you have the number of your item. Like all of the luxury things, I think they have this number somewhere inside hidden, so this way you can then check the authenticity of the product if you want to resell it, for example. And Hermes Paris, made in France. I have looked up online if there is a special story behind the creation of Hermes Kelly belt, and I didn't really find anything, so we can just guess that this belt was created by Hermes after the Hermes Kelly bag became super famous, after it actually got its name Hermes Kelly, because at first they have created this bag and then Grace Kelly started wearing it a lot and she made it famous, and then the Hermes team decided to give this bag a Kelly name. And then I believe this belt was created to match the bag. Now I think they have also lots of shoes, boots which have this Kelly kind of lock. I think they also have some jewelry which is called like Kelly collection of jewelry with some locks like that. And by the way, if you are watching this video in order to understand if this belt is for you, I would definitely say yes. If you are a fan of an elegant style, if you like adding a touch of luxury to your outfits, if you want to elevate your outfits, this is definitely something that you need. Then I also wanted to say that this belt is one size fits all, like almost everybody can fit in this belt because it has this interesting system on the back. As you can see, it is like doubled, and then you can just do it like this and you will change the size of the belt. Basically, you can wear it on your waist and pairing it with your dresses, with your knits, your sweaters, your coats, for example, like light coats, not heavy puffer coats. But also you can wear it with your pants, with your, I wouldn't say jeans. I don't think this style would look nice with jeans. No. With your pants, with your trousers, with something more classy. Putting this one on your hips would look definitely really nice. Or high-waisted, if you have high-waisted pair of pants, wearing this belt with that would look very well, I think, as well. I wanted to quickly show you how I put this belt on, and I think with the sweater that I am wearing today, this belt is going to look very nice. Here is Hermes belt on me. Honestly, I am in love with this belt, and I think if you are interested in this video and if you are watching it, you probably like this belt too, and I totally understand you. For me, it makes each look so much more expensive and elegant, and it feels really comfortable to wear it. It feels nice to put it on. It's really nice to adjust it when you feel like full and your stomach is bloated. You can just make it a little bigger and you're going to be super comfortable wearing this belt. By the way, the width of this belt is 18 millimeters, which sounds like not a lot. At first, I was even a little bit hesitant if this is not going to be too thin. Like, I didn't want this belt to be too small. When I saw it in real life, I understood that this size is exactly it. If it was a little bit smaller, it would be too small. But if it is bigger, then it is a completely different style of a belt, and that is not what I wanted. I wanted something elegant and something not super flashy. Please let me know in the comments below if you think that it would be interesting to see how to style this belt in your outfits, in different styles of outfits. And I think that was it for today. It was everything that I wanted to tell you about this belt. The only conclusion that I can say about this belt is that it is a perfect black elegant belt, and it is the only elegant luxury belt that you need really in a black color. And if you were thinking about it and if you were hesitant about buying it, I would say don't hesitate anymore. Just go to Hermes website and look for it and check the website every day, and one day you're gonna be lucky and you will get your belt. I really hope that you liked this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and push the like button. It is very important for the growth of my channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you very soon for another festive video.